Transform your creativity with the Brother PE900 Embroidery Machine. Imagine the thrill of creating unique, vibrant designs right from home. The Brother PE900 Embroidery Machine is your ticket to endless creative possibilities, whether you're personalizing gifts, enhancing your sewing projects, or exploring embroidery as a new hobby. Let's dive into what makes this gadget unforgettable. The Brother PE900 boasts a spacious 5-inch by 7-inch embroidery area, perfect for larger and more intricate designs. With 193 built-in patterns, 13 lettering fonts, and 50 free designs downloadable via the Artspira app, your artistic potential will soar. Plus, wireless LAN connectivity makes transferring designs seamless. This machine prioritizes usability, offering a large 3.7-inch touchscreen for effortless on-screen editing like resizing, combining, or rotating designs. Add features like the automatic needle threader, jump stitch trimming, and advanced color sorting, and you're set for stress-free, efficient crafting. Hobbyists are raving about the PE900 with its stellar 4.2-star rating. Users love its precision stitching, easy setup, and helpful tutorials. While there are some reports of thread challenges, the machine's detailed user manual and customer support ensure you'll always feel confident. Whether you're designing monogrammed pillows, intricate quilt patterns, or festive holiday accents, the Brother PE900 adapts to every need. Lightweight but powerful, it's built for hobbyists eager to bring their creative visions to life effortlessly. Don't miss out on the chance to turn your ideas into amazing, personalized creations. Order now through the link in the description. Click here to purchase or learn more. Let the Brother PE900 inspire your next masterpiece. Comment, like, and subscribe for more.